Welcome to 2025, your one-stop shop for how the market's looking. Hey everybody, Tim Vogel here, Watson Realty, and today I am going to review how we started off the year from January 1st through January 5th, market stats specifically for Casselberry, Oviedo, Winter Springs, I did Longwood, not Winter Park, this to go around, Orlando, and then we're going to take a look at the counties overall. So it should be fun. You might learn something. Now, bear with me. It's only been 5 days throughout the year that I'm doing. So January 1st through January 5th. So the numbers could be a little skewed. It'll give you an idea of how we're kicking off the year, especially since I also pulled the data compared to last year. So hope you guys enjoy. And as always, if you have any comments, leave it, let me know. I'd love to help. Talk offline. All right. So here is our market update for today. Again, this is January 1st through January 5th, so it's hot off the presses. And we're starting off here in Casselberry. So in Casselberry, there's currently 101 active homes. In those first 5 days of the year, we have 4 pending and 4 actually closed. For those closed, the median sales price is $345, and days on market was about 72. Now, comparing that to last year, during the first 5 days of the year, they had 0 pending. Well, obviously 0 pending because we're way out there, but they had 3 sold homes, median sales price $415,000, and then 35 days on market. Now, moving on over to Oviedo, so far for the year, we got 141 actives, 12 pending, 5 sold. Median sales price is $1,038,560. Now, keep in mind, 5 homes sold, so those numbers could be skewed based off the numbers, and these are probably obviously because they sold and they closed in those first 5 days, they're leaning over from 2024. Days on the market was 321 days, and then from last year, you only had 10 sold, $430,000, 13 days on market. Moving on towards Winter Springs, we had 128 active homes, 4 pending, and 3 of them have closed so far this year. Median sales price is $385, days on market was 33. Compare that to last year, they've had 4 sold. Median sales price was $326,250, and it was 5 days on the market. Then moving towards Longwood. Longwood currently has 185 homes active, 5 pending, and only 1 sold so far this year. Median sales price was $340,000 with 17 days on the market. Last year, 6 sold, so definitely below that number currently. 452,500 was the median sales price with 39 days on the market. Now let's take a look at Orlando. Looking at Orlando, 3,165 active homes. That's a lot of homes. Pending 77, and then 35 sold. Median sales price is $350,000. Days on market is 49. Now flipping over to the year before, by this time in the first 5 days, Orlando had 102 sold homes. Median sales price though is $359,995, and then days on market is 27. Now let's take a look at the counties overall. So actives in the counties. And I might have made a mistake there on the Seminole one because there's no way Seminole's only at 282 actives based off the few Seminole County areas we looked at. We'll have to recheck that math. But Orange at 4,800 plus, 3,100 plus in Volusia, Lake County's at 2,600 plus. Also with Orange, the pendings were 133 compared to Volusia 83 and Lake County at 64, and then sold 64, 41, 24. Median sales price in Orange County, the bigger municipality, 437,500, 355 in Volusia, 380 in Lake County. So give you an idea. Seminole County, I think I probably left a city in there or put 2 cities. Case of the Mondays, we'll talk that up too, but I'll go ahead and get that fixed and updated for y'all. On our next market update, as you can tell, this is basically a live screening. All right. So now, if you have any questions, you want to connect with me, need to refer anyone to me that could use my real estate expertise, please have them scan the QR code. Would love to assist with whatever I can to help you out. And what you can tell, I mean, even though it's a slow start, I wouldn't read too much into the median sales price yet. When you have few homes selling, it could be skewed up in the higher value than it should be, down to the lower value than it broadly is. So as we go throughout the month, it'll start stabilizing. And we'll really get a good comparison from year over year to see what we're currently increasing and see what type of trends we're going to be moving towards this year. But again, if you want to connect with me, scan the QR code. Would love to help you, your friends, or your family. Until next week, I'll talk to y'all later.